Question number 11. The top of one tree is 16 feet higher than the top of another tree. So we have one tree which is taller than another tree which is shorter, and it's by a distance of 16 feet. The height of the two trees are at a ratio of 3 to 4. So let's say if this is taller one is x, shorter one is y, we have a y over x equal to 3 over 4. But then we also know x equal to y plus 16. So we can solve that equation. So we have to figure out what x is. So we have here y equal to x minus 16. So we have x minus 16 over x equal to 3 over 4. Then we have 4x minus 64 equal to 3x. X equal to 64. Answer is B. Question number 12. You have 500 balls in a big, large bag. So let's draw a big, large bag. 80% are red. So we have a red balls here. Red balls, which is 80% of 500. Give us about 400. Then the rest are blue, so we have blue balls as well. Blue. We try to move some ball out of the bag so that the remaining ball are 75% red. So blue we have out of 500 we have 400 red and 100 blue, right? So let's assuming we take x red out. What do we have in the bag of red ball would be 400 minus x. And what's the total ball we have in the bag? Because x has been taken out. So it would be 500 minus x. That we want to be 75% or 3/4. Let's solve this equation. We have 1600 minus 4x equal to 1500 minus 3x. So x would equal to 100. Answer is D. Number 13, we have a triangle. The lengths are consecutive integers. Okay, they're kind of close. So we say the shortest x, second shortest or longest x plus 1, and the longest x plus 2. Then the shortest side, which is x, is 30% of the parameter, which is x plus 1 plus x plus 2, which equal to 3x plus 3, which equal to 0.9x plus 0.9. So we have this 0.1x equal to 1.9 and x equal to 9. Answer is C. Question 14. What's the sum of the prime factors of 2010? So let's figure out all the prime factors first. 2010. So it has a factor of 10, of course, and they have a 201, and the 10 has a factor of 2 and a 5. 201 actually has a factor of 3 and 67. You can verify by times 3 to 67. That give it to us 1. And those 2, 5, 3, 6, 7 all are prime factors, and if add them together, that give you answer of 77, which is C. Question number 15. A jar contains 5 different color of gum drops. So let's draw a big jar. The 30% of gum drops are blue, 20% brown, 15% red, and 10% yellow. The other are green, and you can see 30, 50, 65, 75. So we have a 10, 20, 75. So we have a 25% actually are green, which is 30. So we know the total number of gumdrops inside is 30 divided by 25%, 0.5. That's a total amount, which is 120. 300 divided by 25. Now, if half of the blue gum drops are replaced, so from that we know blue is half 30% times 120 equal to 36, and half of that 36 equal to 18. Replaced by brown, how many of gum will be brown? So brown will be increased by 18, which already had. Brown used to be 20% times 120 equal to 24. And add them together, you have 242 brown in the jar. So the answer is C.